Welcome back to the best After Effects tutorial channel on YouTube. Today I will show you how to make this amazing looking hologram effect, and this one is actually super simple. So we basically just need 2 or 3 effects and it will take 2 or 3 minutes as well. So I'd say let's just go right into it so you can use that on your projects and improve your visuals. So let's make a new composition and just hit OK. Then we will import our image or our video, whatever we like to give the holographic effect to, and this could be a human or an object. I'll just use this treasury thing because I think it looks cool. Then we can just adjust the size, of course, and then we can already start adding the relevant effects. And the first one is the turbulent displacement effect. So we can just add this one, and then we'll see it will be a bit wobbly, and we have to adjust the settings so it will look not that strong. But yeah, we can just look what we took in here, and yeah, so let's give it the amount something like 20 and the size something like 30. And now we can see it is a bit displaced, but it doesn't move. So let's just go to the beginning of our composition, or whenever you want this to start, and put in a keyframe at offset and evolution, and then go to the end and just increase the offset a little bit and also the evolution, and as you can see it will start to move a bit. So this will give us this nice holographic effect where it's a bit distorted, just like you can imagine. And okay, now the next most crucial effect is the Venetian blinds effect, which is actually a transition, but we can just adjust it. And let's increase the transition completion in the effect settings, just like this, and also change the direction to 90 degrees, like that. And now you can also play with the whiteness, depending on how strong you want this to be, or how many gaps you want. But so transition completion and width or whiteness, this is completely up to you, whatever you like. And okay, that's a bit too much, but that's basically almost it. I think it also looks good to add a glow effect, because glow looks always good. And here we just have to increase the radius, just like that, and we can also play with the intensity, but that's completely up to you. I think the default setting looked quite good. And basically that's it. If you want to learn how to make these light rays that come from below, like in the example, I will link you a separate tutorial where you can simply learn how to do this. But that's it for the holographic effect. I hope you enjoyed this one, and see you next time.